Well, the Sharing Shoes Basketball Clinic is a clinic to raise awareness for the basketball community and the athletic community as a whole in Fairfax County to have proper footwear to keep kids active and so on. The clinic is going to be at Paul VI High School. The basketball clinic is a holistic basketball clinic where they're going to go through game situations, drills. The coaching staff at PBI has been very instrumental in this. The basketball team at PBI, headlined by some of the top players in the country, are going to be out there conducting drills with these kids, so it's going to be an awesome experience for those guys. Well, who can participate is kids aged 3rd through 8th grade, male and female, and it's generally for the kids to come out and with the PBI staff and the county staff, again, to be able to collect shoes, new and gently used, to distribute to our Fairfax County residents and so on that are in need. Well, this is a good thing for the county at large because, again, it raises awareness for the lack of footwear. So it's important for the county to recognize that some kids have, some kids don't. We want to make sure that all kids stay active.